Hello, 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 this is Frida. Welcome to my channel. For this video, we are going to open a yarn unboxing. Yeah! I don't know if you remember, I was saying I bought these way back in 2019. And what happened was, I thought they were 100 gram, but they're 50 gram. And I want to knit some sweater for my son. So what I did is I went and ordered from Ice Yarn, but the color didn't match. The quality is the same, but the color was a tint different. So what I did is I went to Hobium. I haven't been shopping there for a long time, couple of months, and I haven't received any free shipping or any codes. Anyways, I did went and I ordered a pack of this, a pack of this. So I have two already. So another 750 gram. I think that would be enough to knit a sweater for my son. And I did buy some other thing, and it said you're going to receive a surprise. So let's see what's inside. This was supposed to arrive tomorrow, but it arrived today, and I am thrilled. I was waiting for Ice Yarn. I don't know what's up with them. They're saying it's gonna arrive. Oh, the label is different. It was the same in the online. Yeah, I bought it same day, Ice Yarn, and they're saying Monday. So a little bit of disappointed. What I did is I saw this sock yarn, and I looked at Hobium. It was like half price at Ice Yarn. It's the same yarn. So I will compare it when that arrives. I'm hoping, yeah, the label is different. Well, I bought this in 2019, right? Oh, yeah, the color is totally different. Can't believe this. Oh. Okay. 435, it says. This one's 435 as well. But the lot is different, see? The lot makes a big difference. Okay. Yeah. Jeez, oh my goodness. And when you're buying yarn, be cautious. I'm just gonna grab that other yarn that I bought from Ice Yarn. I think it's the same color. Remember, I was saying that it's a tint different? A little bit different. Oh, yeah. This yarn looks like that. Can you see? So the lot, yeah, 435. And where did it say? It's not matching. Oh boy, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll make something for myself, short sleeves. Where was the lot? I saw it. Okay. Here it is. Okay. Yeah, this one is 202. See, the lot is different, and it gives a big difference. Look. So I'm just going to go and grab the Ice Yarn, because at Hobium it's pretty expensive. Yeah, I thought it would be the same color. Okay, so I went and grabbed Ice Yarn that I ordered. This came just month of April. Only 4 though. They don't send many. But it's way cheaper than, yeah. This doesn't match either. Oh my goodness, I'm stuck with this gray. What did I do? Oh geez, look at this. Well, can you see? This is more close to this. But this one is totally different. Can you see? It's a little bit hard. Yeah, this one is, I think it's the exact color. Well, you know what? I can knit with these two, but you know, I don't like that. So that's another thing. Oh, jeez. Okay, let's carry on. I am so disappointed. Yeah, never ever do this again. You know, you pay a fortune for these yarn, and they're expensive. And shipping, I paid $25. Yeah. I didn't pay custom UPI. Oh, okay. I went and bought this. Oh, it's so soft. Is this cotton? Yeah, it says 55% cotton, and then the rest is polyester. So it's 67 meter. And I'm just looking for the ones I bought from Dollarama. If I can take this down. So this is $4. This is $4 Canadian. It says it's a 6 weight, but this is soft. It's like I-cord, knitting I-cord. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's like the one that I'm knitting. Why is this blurry? Come on. See what I mean? This and this is same. This is totally different. This is way thicker. Just comparing it. So the Dollarama, I paid $2.25 for this, and there's 15 and a half meter. And let's see how long is this. This one is 67 only, so 67 meters. So how? Oh, it's like 3 times? No, 3, yeah, 4 times. 4 times than this. Think about it. It's not bad. And on Etsy, they're selling it as well. Hobium sells it on Etsy. I checked. I'm just checking. Yeah. Well, this is way cheaper, but it's soft. I need to try. I love lime color, so that's the reason I'm just fond of lime color. And I said I had to see this, but it's so soft. I have so much yarn, right? So I can make I-cords. That's another thing. But the one that this one I made, it curls up, so I can't make it flat. Unfortunately, I tried. I attempt, but I haven't tried these yet. So that's what I want to do. And these are cotton that I am knitting with. Cotton, 100% cotton yarn, like this that I have. Oh, I love the color. Yeah. So $2.25 and $4 for this. Not bad. I'm just gonna double check Hobium. I just double checked. So this is $4.75. And I believe this is in, I'm not sure if it's Canadian. Yeah. Cost. I think this is in American, US dollars. Shipping fee, I paid $24. So this one is $4.75. And yeah. And the bag that I paid for this is $29 even. There's 10 of this. I'm really disappointed. The color did not match. Okay, so, and then I went and bought the blue color that I said. I hope this matches. Okay. Oh. You never know, right? Oh, this matches. Look, it's the same color. Let's check. Let's check. So the lot. Oh, where are you? 437. Okay, where's the lot on this one? The lot is different. See? 437. The color number is same, but the lot is totally different, but it matches. it is exactly the same color. Maybe there's a little bit tint, but you can't see anything, can't notice anything. See? When I take it for, it's the same color. I am happy with this. The gray, I am stuck. I don't know what I'm going to do. Maybe I should, I don't know. Different colors, it's just, yeah. So this worked perfectly. I'm happy. Okay, they said there's a gift for me. There's a surprise or something like that. Okay. No bag, nothing. So disappointing. What is this? I want a coupon code. I hope they send me a coupon code. No, nothing. Thank you for your order. With this order, you became a part of the colorful Hobium Yarns family. We wish you a pleasant blah, 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 blah. No coupon code. So disappointing. No bag, nothing. And I paid, how much did I pay? I paid $77.34. This is the first time I'm buying from this year. 2023. I bought it this time the first. Well, the reason I bought is to, you know, find a color so I can work on them. But I'm going to start with this. Okay, and we'll go from there. Yeah. But I'm so disappointed. There's nothing in the bag. I'm just going to look at it. Hobium, come on! At least Ice Yarn sent me a knitted, let's see, there's nothing in it, empty. Oh well, so I bought these three, and I paid $77. With shipping included, yeah, 30, well, if 20, I'm saying 29, so I'm just going to round it to 30, 30, 60, and $4.75 for the green. I can't wait to start this, but it's really hot here, so I don't want to turn on the sewing machine. I'm going to try to figure out not to have the light on, because when I turn on my machine, Christina, she commented, if I don't turn on my light, but the thing is when I push the button, automatically it's attached to the light, it turns on. Maybe there's a way I haven't figured out, but I have to check that out. I'm happy that the color, I'm so thrilled that this finally matched, but the gray, I'm stuck with these yarns that don't match. I'm sure I can make something, I don't know, I just need to figure it out, and I will do that, yeah. Right now I'm just trying to work on the projects that I'm working, and that's all I'm going to say. This one is turning pretty good. Let me just show you. I know it's a yarn unboxing, but I just love, love, love. This is going to be a rug. The I-cord that I made with the knitting machine. And I-cord knitting machine. And I just love how this is turning on. See, I did change the colors from yellow to green and to teal. And it gives a nice mosaic look. So yeah, check this tutorial out. I really like it, and it's going to be a rug. And I am planning to start a new sweater, so stay tuned for that. I usually post them on my Instagram page when I'm working on projects, so definitely check them out. Yeah, that's all I'm going to say today. It was only 3 items, well, 10, but still 3 different items. And I don't know, why would they send me this? There's no code, nothing. Yeah, I like free shipping. I usually check when they send me free shipping, I buy. But this one I had to, because that's my goal, to knit since 2009. I need to knit one of them at least. And yeah, you guys take care. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button. So every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Happy knitting, happy crocheting, happy sewing, whichever you like to do. Enjoy and have fun. Bye-bye.